Hey guys, you caught me with no makeup on. At least my hair is clean. Had a shower. I just decided I'm not putting makeup on today. And I have to tell you guys, my family is not interested in any more cookies right now. So I'm not going to do the last cookie recipe. And I'll take their lead for that. But I will leave the recipe down below. It was a copycat Chick-fil-A cookie recipe. Chick-fil-A to me has the best cookies that you can really get at a fast food place. I usually don't like even desserts from them. Ice cream, yes, because it's hard to mess up ice cream. But I wanted to show you giveaway number 8, and it is this OPI nail polish collection. Can you see it? You have a clear coat. It's a clear coat. That's Buried Daring, Susie Nails, New Orleans, and Liston Wants Moon OPI. They're just little minis, but just leave a comment down below. I will draw with the random comment picker. Today is Saturday, so on Monday, and announce a winner. And you guys are definitely gonna get at least a little video every single day now through New Year's. I really am enjoying just chilling. I think that's why I took the time off from work. I needed it. Last night, I'll go back to my original thought here in a second. Last night, I went to bed early, but I was up like at 12:30, so midnight. And then the rest of my house is asleep, except for one of the twins is still up playing video games. So I just played, and it was so fun. I was online for a little bit, and then I played Mario Kart, and then Mario and Raymond Rabbids Discovery Battle, I think is what it's called, something like that. But it was a lot of fun. Then about 6 o'clock, I was tired, so I stretched out in my recliner, and I took a nap. And then I got up, fed the dog, took her out, and I crawled in my bed, and I went back to sleep for another hour, and it was glorious. So now I'm on my way to go pick up a grocery order that I put in. I'm gonna have to stop somewhere else real fast because they didn't have something I needed for dinner tonight. I might just run into Walmart and just pick up something different. I don't know. I haven't decided. I don't know. Maybe I'll run into H-E-B. Anywho, so I'm gonna go do that. You are gonna get a video every day from now till New Year's Day because I still have my giveaways to do, and I'm gonna do one a day. So the last giveaway will be shown on New Year's Day, and in that you're gonna start to see the planners that I'm fixing to be using, and maybe some of my goals that I want to achieve this year, or at least how I'm breaking down the goals that I want to really kind of concentrate on. Some of them are YouTube goals, so they do kind of include you as well. But for that, this video today is very short and sweet. I was trying to think if I needed to go do a random comment thing, but no, because there was no more giveaway shown. So, yay. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.